Hello guys. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening wherever you are. Let's do this, guys. Erection of pipe rock column. So in this case, we do it individually because it's quite very long. The distance is long from my crane. Unlike this one, we do it on pre-assembled. That's one. We assembled in the ground and erect it at the top of the concrete column. Now on the other hand, this one we erect it individually, piece by piece, because the radius is around 26 meters, and the other one, the back of this one is 31 meters. So we need to do it individually. Install it individually. Pipe rock column. So the erector now is on the column, guiding. Erector, steel erector. Hoisting down now. Hoisting down. For final erection. Finally, it landed on the concrete column now, in the anchor bolt with the concrete column. So finally, this is a pipe rock structure. So thank you very much guys for watching.